box. What is in the box? It's long. It's light. It's air. So we're going to open up the box. And I think you're going to like this. And you need one. And there you have it.
No!
That's all you got. You got airbags.
Airbags.
Okay, there's one more thing in here. Another box. A box in a box. So this one. Alright, and it has a cover and everything, so for bad weather you can protect it. It's kind of like an umbrella, but it's not an umbrella. And it's a selfie stick.
Ooh.
Right. Oops. And this tripod won't fall over. This tripod is a very good tripod. That is not going to fall over. And then all the other pieces has a remote control and has a mount for your phone. Well, I go this way. Has a mount for your phone. And this opens up, and you open it up here. This is supposed to hold your phone. There we go. This plugs in like that. And then we can put a phone in it. And there. So this stretches out and you can put a phone in like my phone. You could stretch it out, put a phone in it. And you could go sideways, tighten it down. Or you can go vertical, tighten it down. But it will not fall over because
How tall?
55 inches.
That's true. So you take these and you flip them, flip them, flip them, flip them. Up. Oops.
Into the fan.
Oh, so.
You can make it as long as you want. And then you
It's a heavy or light?
it's heavier, it's light, but it's heavier the longer you make it. I'm not sure where the remote control goes. In the pocket.
Looks like a.
Fishing things. So I guess you can hold it here. But you can control the height on it. Right down. Close it.
You can bring it in one more time. Close it. So you get it to adjust the way you want it to. I don't really like this, but it's really designed for a tripod more than anything else. So you could have a little walking stick that you can bring this to, and this can be a good prop for. And a tip when you do video, go sideways so you can create a real video. The long ways isn't a very good video. Sideways gets more. Oh, this is for a GoPro. This is for a GoPro camera, if you have a GoPro camera, which I do. And the remote control for it. And instructions. That's it.
Thank you. Say bye-bye to your vlog.
That's it. Bye.